I'm running into this error when I try to check for Windows updates on my Windows 7 machine. 872 EFE. So I googled it, and the first search result I came to was this one. It's on answers.microsoft.com. So let's see if this link works over here. Which if it works, I'll leave it in the description. And hopefully it fixes my problem. So I'm gonna do it through the download center. I need Windows 7, this one, 64-bit. Of course, taking me through all this stuff. So it looks like I need this update for Windows 7 x64. It's downloading. I'm gonna go to downloads. I think this is it, maybe? I need 612, looks like it. Let me go run it. Yeah, let me install it. But if you're not running Windows 7 and said you're running something else, or 32-bit, you might need a different update. It's all done. I need to go restart. Let me go restart. It just rebooted. I'm gonna open check updates. Let's see if it's still giving me the error. Looks better than before, that's for sure. So it's thinking and thinking. I'm not sure how long this will take, but it needs to run. It needs to get all the updates from SP1 and newer on this Windows 7 installation. I just installed Windows 7 and installed SP1, but I need to get the rest of the updates. Let me pause this. It's 8:11, and I'll come back once it finishes. Hopefully, I don't think it's going to give the error, but it's thinking right now. It worked. It took about 6 minutes, but it finally showed what updates it could download. Good news.